Hello class 4, a very good morning. This is Pratima Sharma, your English recitation teacher. Student, how are you? I hope and I wish that all you will safe and healthy at your home, and I also are very well. So student, let's start our class. This is our first online class on this way because it is very easy to understand all the points of chapter when I am explaining on this way. You can easily understand. Okay, let's start. Firstly, I want to show your English recitation book. Just look it. This is your English recitation book, and I hope all of you have this. If you have not, just purchase it first. Okay. After this, I will show your first semester syllabus. This is your first semester syllabus, chapter 1 to 4, and included 3 poems also. Chapter 1 is Be Prepared. Chapter 2, The Visit to the Mansion. Tiny and the Faraway Mountain. 4, The Trumpet of the Swan, and included 3 poems are: first is On the Beach, second Seeds, third Summer Sun. This is your first semester syllabus, and I will also provide a PDF of this syllabus on your WhatsApp group. So student, let's start of our first chapter. This is chapter 1, Be Prepared. Before I start this chapter, I want to tell about the writer who wrote this story. This story written by Ruskin Bond. He is the best India's storyteller and writer. He wrote lots of books and stories based on a mountain life, and in this story he expressed his childhood experience. And he wrote a very famous book, The Room of the Roof and The Tree Still Grow in Dehra. Is some famous book. From the beginning, he lived in Dehradun, and now he lives in Mussoorie. So he is a writer of this story, and in this story, the speaker talk about a boy who is a scout boy and his life journey as a scout boy. How he got the cookery badge, and one time he lost it, and once again he got it, and not only himself, he got all the badges to all the scout members of this troop. So this story based on a boy. So let us start. I will read the paragraph. So every student put the finger on the first paragraph. This is a page number 1. Just open it and put the finger on the first paragraph. Be prepared. That is the Boy Scout motto. But I never seem to be well prepared for anything, be it an exam or a journey. So how did I survive as a Boy Scout? Means that boy who is a scout member, he was always thinking that how I survive as a scout boy in this scout team as a boy, because he always thinking that I am not ready for anything, it will exam or journey. So how I survive in this life, his thinking. So student, a scout life like a force life, a very tough life, a very disciplined life in this field. So he is a boy who always thinking that I am not ready for it. So how I survive here. Next paragraph come down. This is the second paragraph. It seems a rumor had gone around the junior school that I was a good cook. I had never cooked anything in my life, but I had spent a lot of time in tuck shop making suggestion to an increasing chimpu, the tuck shop owner, to make better and more and better samosas, jalebis, tikkis and pakoras. With this qualification, I won a cookery badge and was put in charge of our Boy Scout troop supply of ration. This boy who is a scout boy, he got the cookery badge. He is a very good cook. Because of reason, he was thinking that a rumor which is spread in the junior school that he is a very good cook. Because of reason, he had given the advice and suggestion to the tuck shop owner, whose name is Chimpu, to making a better cookies. So that's why I got the cookery badge. For this reason, he got more responsibility in charge of Scout Boy ration supply. This is a very big responsibility to him. So he was always thinking that the reason of, because I am giving the suggestion and everyone thinking that I am a very good cook. Come down our next paragraph. There were about 20 of us in our troop. During the summer break, our scout master, Mr. Oliver, took us on a camping spending to a mountain. Means one summer break holiday. His scout master, who is Mr. Oliver, he has decided to all the troop members going on a trekking on the mountain for a few days. And on this team, he scout boy who is in charge of ration supply. They are going a mountain for the trekking and for the troop. So what will happen next, I will explain next paragraph. But firstly, I want to write some words meaning which is coming here. I thought just it is very important to you. So just mention your book or copy if you very easily to understand what the meaning of, to help you to understand this story. So write it, mention in your book. Word meaning. So first word is be prepared. Be prepared means always ready. Always ready. Next is rumor. Rumor means untrue talk about you, which is spread by the people. Untrue talk about you. Next word is coming here. It is a suggestion. Suggestion means a tip, advice. Tip or advice. Okay. Tip or advice. Next word is coming here. It is encouraging. Encouraging means motivate. Motivate. Okay. And next word is coming here. It is a ration. Ration means food stuff. So these words are coming on the paragraph, which I thought it is important to you. So first word is be prepared. Be prepared means always ready. Rumor. Rumor means untrue talk about you. Suggestion. Suggestion means tip or advice. Encouraging. Encouraging means to motivate. Ration. Ration means food stuff. So, turn the page. This is page number 2 and put the finger on next first paragraph. A few miles outside Simla, the first night we were put to work peeling potatoes, shrinking onions, peeling peas and pounding masala. When the ingredients were ready, I was asked that what should be done with them. Means this troop going on a Simla, and when he reached this place, he spent a first night on this place. He making a food and to prepare the ingredients of this food, like peeling potatoes, sinking onions and putting masalas. When all the ingredients are ready, then this scout boy who is got cookery bag, he suggests, he asks to all the troop members what should be done for them. So next just come down on next paragraph. What will happen? Put everything in that big dekchi. I ordered. Put half tin of ghee over the lot. Added some nettle leaves and cook for half an hour. Means this boy who is got the won the cookery batch, and everyone thought that he's a very good cook. So he ordered to all the members of this troop who was making food, that he ordered that just added some ghee, some nettle leaves, and when he cooked half an hour. So what will happen next, I will explain on tomorrow. But here the two meaning words are coming, which I thought it is important to you. This is dekchi. Dekchi means a big round pan, like you can easily see in your home, like a kadhai, which is used your mom and another families in your house. So dekchi is a big round pan. A big round pan, and one word is coming here, nettle. Nettle means a herb leaf. Nettle means, dekchi means a big round pan, and nettle means a herb which is found on the mountain place. So all the ingredients are ready, and it's cooked a half hour. So what happened next, I will explain on tomorrow. Student, my homework is just read this chapter once again from the book. And when you thought that when you are thinking that this is words are difficult and I want to know this meaning, just write in a copy. Okay, this is my homework. And student, I want to tell something more. Please work on English speaking, because I am when I am explaining in English, you can easily understand. So learn more words meaning. Okay, because today I will explain in Hindi. This is story based on a boy, scout boy. लड़के के बारे में है जो कि स्काउट बॉय है, और वो कैसे उसकी लाइफ चलती है. वो इंचार्ज बना दिया जाता है अपने स्काउट टीम का, फूड सप्लाई राशन का. और ये जो ट्रुप होती है ये जाती है शिमला, और वहाँ पे जब उनकी पहली रात बीतती है तो ये फूड तैयार करते हैं, बहुत से लीव्स और ओनियंस और पीस मटर से। और जब ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट तैयार हो जाते हैं तो इनको ये बड़े से डेक्ची में हाफ आवर तक कुक करते हैं। उसके बाद चीजें क्या होती हैं आई विल एक्सप्लेन टुमारो। ओके, आई होप यू लाइक इट। सो स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू सो मच। Get ready for the study. Okay, thank you so much.